Mudryk, the Ukrainian forward, made his Premier League debut for Chelsea on October 2, 2023, against Fulham. After 23 games, Mudryk finally scored his first goal with a Chelsea shirt after the Blues paid €100 million to have him in the second part of last season. Mudryk's performance was impressive throughout the match. He showed great composure on the ball and made some excellent runs into space. Chelsea went on to win the match 2-0 against Fulham. Armando Broja scored the second goal for Chelsea in the 19th minute. The victory over Fulham was a much-needed boost for Chelsea. They had been struggling to find their form in recent weeks and were desperate for a win. The team played with great intensity and showed that they are capable of competing at the highest level. Mudryk's performance will undoubtedly give the coach, Mauricio Pochettino, something to think about when selecting his starting lineup for future matches.
Thanks for watching. If this video was useful for you, please like it and subscribe our channel. We are always happy to create new content for you.